Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to customize your Shopify product page? In this tutorial, we will show you how to edit the product page in Shopify in 2024, from changing product descriptions to tweaking page design. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all, let's go ahead and open the Shopify store that we have. So click on login and your account should be open directly if you are logged in already before. So here it is, the website that I have. Now in this area you will have like the products, the areas, like a couple of things in this menu as you can see here. So let's start by putting in a product, which is gonna be simply by clicking add product, and here we can add a product normally. So let's go ahead and add it. I'm gonna just write the title here. For example, I'm gonna be selling iPhone X, or I mean iPhone 16. Let's add the description. Let's go to Amazon. Yeah, let's go to Amazon and let's try to get it from there. So iPhone. All right, let's go with iPhone 16. Okay, let's go with this one. Doesn't really matter. So here it is. I'm gonna be copying this. How? What? Oh, it's not iPhone, alright. I was like, what's it's iPhone and it's Android at the same time. I didn't get it, but yeah. So let's paste this here. Here we should upload the media. Let's just get this imagery quick. Save as. Um, yeah, I don't think we could download it, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. We could keep everything here beside the price empty. So let's go here and put one. Let's put a real number now. Alright, save. And just like that, we have created our first product. So now we can view this product on our online store. So first of all, we need to go to our themes and basically pick a theme from these. Now we have this current theme. So now let's go ahead to remove the password, pick a plan. Now normally, yeah, to actually edit the pages you have to pick a plan. Now the plans in here are basically going to be starting from basic, Shopify, advanced, and plus. So you could pick one of these. The best thing about Shopify is it gives you this opportunity to have any premium plan for $1 in the first month. Now this is for monthly paid, so you don't have to worry about it. You can view full list of features if you want to, but yeah, you have to get a premium plan in case you would like to actually edit and move things around in your store. So basically here you will find pages, guys. So here you will find pages, preferences, navigations, and etc, and pretty much more than that. So everything will be located in this area about your website. So as long as you pay the premium version, everything will be shown to you in this area and it will not be locked. If you want to view a store, even if you try to click like that, it will be like so. So this is the product page that we have. It's pretty empty since we don't have anything in it. So you can either even like import theme, visit theme store, as you can see. So we could go here and view like a theme store, so we can buy a template for ourselves and get like a really good template that could boost ourselves. So there's variations of template that we could be using, but for now that doesn't really matter. What we need to edit is the product page. So how can we do this? First of all, we need to understand what is a product page. A product page is a component of an online store. It's a place where potential customers learn about a product's features, benefits, and pricing. Product pages also prompt website visitors to make a purchase decision. Now, don't make a misconception about a product page and the landing page. The landing page is usually made for those who are selling only one product, so they don't really need a lot of things in their website. They will only need one page of their product, and basically this page will have like full information about this product. It will be all designed and made for this product, and it will not even have a menu if necessary. The product page is normally when you go to Amazon, as we did before. So you go for Amazon and you click on a product. So when you click on that product, the product page is that. So here there is a couple of like inspirations, so or examples. So you can view them right here, as you can see. So we have this one, we have that one, we have this one. This is like a decent example because this is what we are currently used to. So this is like a very normalized product page. It's pretty clean. It has the images, it has the variants, it has the pricing here, description, and the buy button, and also the quantity per counter. We have here also a couple of more product pages like this one. This one is good. It has bright colors, like dark colors. It has everything in it that matches the product colors. So this is very good as well. In another like dimension, there is this one for selling books. This one is, you could like use it for simple things like selling books, selling not complicated things, like simple things. Also here we have this for books. We have there is a lot of examples that you can go for when it comes to the product page. It's also varies depending on your product. So yeah, it's really depends on your product. For example, if you're selling a house, you will not have a product page looking like so. So yeah, there is a lot of variance. Now, how can we edit the product page? Well, Shopify product page customization is basically by the default theme settings. Now, when you open your theme, since I've shown you guys, you will not be able to open your theme like that or your theme builder in Shopify unless you have the premium version. So once you open your account with the premium version, you will be able to get the access to this page. It will have this menu, which is the page builder. That will help you a lot to manage your page and to have a lot of things going on in there, to add images, to add blocks, to add sections. Basically, it will help you a lot. Um, so this page builder is the key for your product page. So simply just click on your product page that you want to edit, and basically once you do that, you will be able to actually go to your product. So here we are on the menu. So this is the menu. Go ahead and click on product and choose and pick the product that you want to edit. Now there is two ways to edit them, either by editing the code itself so you can use like your skills when it comes to developing, or basically by going to the page builder, as I said guys, and basically edit it. So you can make something like that, something like so, change the background, change the colors, so change whatever you want. So this is a way to actually edit your page products or product page in Shopify. It's first of all by getting the premium version, paying $1, go into your templates, and simply using the theme builder that they have in here by simply just dragging and dropping. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.